Morning.
Chicken hard mango ba sandali, right?
Morning guys. So we're taking another walk after the big heavy rain down to Vreed-En-Hoop Junction. We're going to look for some mango. Gill? So you wouldn't believe, just like about half an hour, 45 minutes ago was heavy rain here, overcast. Now look at it now, just a few drizzles. Yeah, bike?
Yeah, because you can squeeze up there.
Just now, yeah, bike?
I have Marty bought this. Just so happen you Yeah. You think
Oh.
it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Already was there.
Oh, I have. Oh.
I have people have this house abandoned, eh? This house.
Hello.
I got tons of all.
That was
Oh, okay. By the way, guys, it's Saturday morning. I'll be around 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, Saturday. Yeah, they want drizzle, but it doesn't look like it's gonna come back. The place is clearing up. Yeah, a lot of blue clouds over there. Chicken, fresh chicken. You see Bella when you come out?
Dahil naman sila overseas.
Yeah, make them dress get well there, boy.
được 100% thì or whatever it is. Sometimes it's 200.
Fresh beef. Morning. Yeah. What got sim?
No, go on, sim something.
I like sim.
Nó có bài của nó hiện sim.
Marlin, desi karna close up.
I know. The cracking all This is Charlie.
Yeah, telling as well. There we go, mango. Here. Pocket of 600.
Get them, you know how to get them. So. But she got hard mango bottom there, right? Vegetarian.
Yeah, my two ripe ones.
No way.
Yeah,
Remember him.
you don't want two ripe ones. Yeah,
If
maybe
you
that
can
one.
select some fish.
What the price for this? Sorry.
Yeah, man, this hard.
What about this?
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
cheap.
this here good. Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Maybe a $1,000, no?
$1,000. You want pumpkin?
For me? No. You not bring one there? That will cut me.
Oh
Sugar
yeah,
take
I get
that.
a whole one.
But me just wait for the fridge empty.
Oh, where we bring that from?
Brother.
Brother, a brother is kind of.
Tell my brother. By Monday.
Brother.
I have to tell my brother.
That's it?
Yeah, the mango.
So you gonna buy now?
You gotta get a shot. I just tell him to go around.
Yeah.
If I already know the stuff about it.
Nice burger.
What a parcel. But tell her later, Sister Charlie.
Charlie. looks pretty fine. Yeah. I should not reach around already. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're done picking up what we got. Pick up, we got some mango, marman pork. Mango, marman pork and thing. So we headed home now. Pagdaling kamera para Salam Reza. Bye. Pandamal. KFC open already, man. Huh? Yeah. Maybe it's not as oily as
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's too oily. Like baby,
Hey, please don't lift up. Everybody's walking through. No more rain. Pumpkin there, boy. Whole can of pumpkin. In the night, it's a dark stand will be busy. Tourists. Yeah. Yeah, vacancy in case you're looking. Vacancy sales, girls. Alright, let me check out this terapel here, guys. see what it looking like. Yeah, man. Looking delicious. Sweet. Yeah, roll it.
Yeah.
And then drop it on the ground. I think it's time for break something.
I said you should know that there's that top even supposed to take out.
Yeah, it's time.
Right.
Mm.
You know when you use
That's
vinegar
it,
this
guys.
thing, you know that
Eating this after a long time.
But I've been going Regina that time till that it lasts.